Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialu.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about this question I recently got. What's the importance of A/B testing in Facebook ads? Why should we do it? Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump into this. And the simple answer is, if we're not A/B testing, we could be leaving money on the table, or we could be paying Facebook a lot more for our clicks or conversions than we really have to. And you know what? I have something really cool to show you guys in this video, behind the scene of a recent campaign that we just finished. And here I am logged into the ad account, and look at these. I want you to look at these two campaigns right here. So this is the image campaign and this is the video campaign. That's the only difference inside these campaigns. It's a conversion campaign. We're trying to sell a event that costs, the ticket to that event is $500. Now look at the video campaign. So we got one registration and we paid $55 for that registration. And then look at the image campaign. So we got 7 registrations, but we are paying $30 per registration. So we're paying $25 less for registration. Now we are profitable in both cases because the ticket that people are buying is $500. But if we were not A/B testing between images and videos, guess what? We could be just going by the notion of, hey, video is the best format to use and we should go with the video. Video always works because everyone talks about video. It's all about video these days, right? So we could be paying $25 more per conversion had we not A/B tested. Think about that. So this is why I believe it's really important to do A/B testing whenever you are creating your Facebook ad campaigns. And you know, let's say if you have a budget of $100, you can spend the first 10% or 20% of your budget doing the A/B testing. And then in this example that I showed you, we A/B tested between videos and images, and after like 48 hours, we paused the video campaign and we let the images run because we had found our winner from that A/B testing. So if you guys have any questions related to Facebook ads or doing A/B testing, leave those questions in the comments below. Before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye for now.